In this video, we are going to learn how to color hair on eye-based paint after failing so bad in the last video. So this is the tutorial in English which I found on YouTube. This video creator is our favorite, so we chose America first. Maybe it's just because how I drew my character's hair. My hair is more like a blob and in a shape more than hers. Hers has like a distinct strands, like she drew one by one all the strands and then she shaded it and colored it. Just add some little shading, just how she said, like in the darker areas. While recording this part, I was sleepy as fuck and angry at the same time. I just lost it and it goes so random. It doesn't look like hair anymore. Let's just add some highlights here. I added some extra strands here and there. You know, I like how she does this shit so perfectly. I know she's an expert and probably doing this thing since when I wasn't even born. Some extra hair strands and we are done. Okay, I literally didn't follow the guidelines. Fishy's art seems like she didn't even follow the steps and drowned in the flow.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
This video creator have a very sweet and kawaii voice. One of the reasons to select this video. And just like I have to color it, then add a gradient, like a darker gradient in the back side of the hair, and the upper side of the hair it should be like a lighter gradient. This orange color is so cool, man. I literally loved this tutorial. I mean, for beginners it's the best, I guess. Yeah. And then just add a highlight, a bright highlight, and you're done. This was so easy, it took like 10 minutes. For this tutorial you need to have a great sense of shadows. I drew the similar hair shapes which she drew, so I'm just following the guides of how she is doing it. Yeah, you can't do it if you don't know how shadows are placed. The shadows, then there are lighter shadows, like more softer shadows. There are hard shadows, then there are softer shadows, and then she blends it and then she draws hair strands. Then after that she adds some highlights and softer highlights. Okay, so here now she's telling us to add bluish highlight and softer highlights, and then in the last she adds the contrast. If you have a similar art style from these people, of course the tutorial will work great. So you have to just go out there and experiment and get to know which one is good for you.
Arrivederci.